Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Singapore Airlines on flight number SQ957 is now ready for boarding. We have informed on first class, business class, ticket, flight number, please buy your points, platform holding on contact, and friendly carry ticket contact to the support now. Your on-top clearance. Please be boarding pass on the government in giving close to the state ground. Singapore Airlines is always a gentleman. Thank you. Selamat pagi para pengguna Singapore Airlines berbagai dengan tujuan dan segera diberangkatkan. Kami menggunakan first class, business class, tiket, display elektronik, platform aman. Yang terkait bahwa perjalanan anak konsentrasi pesawat terlebih dahulu.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. Please note that all hand luggage that can be securely stored in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you will need to be checked in now. You're also reminded to take care of your personal belongings and valuables at all times. Thank you.
Penumpang sekalian, harap perhatikan bahwa setiap tas tangan yang tidak bisa disimpan secara aman di dalam kompartemen atas atau di bawah tempat duduk yang ada di depan Anda harus dilaporkan masuk sekarang juga. Kami juga mengingatkan Anda untuk menjaga barang-barang dan barang berharga milik Anda setiap saat.
Ladies and gentlemen, please note that all hand luggage that cannot be securely stowed in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you will need to be checked in now. You are also reminded to take care of your personal belongings and valuables at all times.
Penumpang sekalian, harap perhatikan bahwa setiap tas tangan yang tidak bisa disimpan secara aman di dalam kompartemen atas atau di bawah tempat duduk yang ada di depan Anda harus dilaporkan masuk sekarang juga. Kami juga mengingatkan Anda untuk menjaga barang-barang dan barang berharga milik Anda setiap saat.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. My name is Kelvin Yo, and on behalf of all of my crew, I'd like to welcome you on board Singapore Airlines SQ957 to Singapore. Here with me on the flight deck is Senior First Officer Edwin Chew, and in the cabin, your in-flight supervisor, Mr. Azman, and the rest of the cabin crew will ensure that you're well looked after. The flight time to Singapore will be 1 hour and 20 minutes. The weather en route is forecast to be partly cloudy and it may get a little bit bumpy, so for your safety, we do recommend that you observe the seatbelt signs and fasten your seatbelts whenever you're seated. We will be departing shortly, and if you'd like to follow the progress of the flight, you can tune to your flight path channel of your in-flight entertainment system. We wish you a pleasant flight and thank you for choosing Singapore Airlines.
Close. Ladies and gentlemen, all portable electronic devices must be in flight safe mode. Electronic devices such as laptops must not be stored. Please be reminded that smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes are not allowed in the aircraft at all times. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines flight SQ957 to Singapore. We are pleased to be carrying passengers of Star Alliance and codeshare partners. Our Criswell Entertainment System is now available. Please refer to the Criswell magazines in your seat pocket for this month's selection. For duty-free shopping, please use the sales request coupon found in the Chris Shop catalog located in your seat pocket. Enjoy a 10% discount on a wide selection of Chris Shop products. Terms and conditions applies. Enjoy exclusive offers in Singapore with your SIA boarding pass within 1 month of your flight. Please refer to the Silver Chris magazine for more details. We wish you a pleasant flight. Please arm all doors and cross-check. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, it is important to pay attention to the video which will now be shown. Thank you.
Bapak Ibu yang terhormat, selamat datang di penerbangan Singapore Airlines. Semua alat elektronik portable harus dalam keadaan flight safe mode. Pada saat diarahkan oleh awak kami, alat tersebut harus dimatikan dan disimpan. Harap diingat bahwa merokok tidak diperbolehkan selama berada di dalam pesawat. Untuk alasan keselamatan, Anda diminta untuk tidak menggunakan headset sampai pesawat benar-benar lepas landas. Selamat menikmati penerbangan Anda. Para penumpang sekalian, harap pastikan bahwa sabuk pengaman Anda telah terpasang dengan kencang dan penutup jendela Anda telah terbuka. Terima kasih.
Take off stations. Thank you.
Ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened and your window shades are drawn up. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign has been turned off. For your safety, always keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. Please be advised that whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on, toilets should not be used and you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Infants have to be carried out from the bassinets and secured with infant seatbelts. If you're using a blanket, do fasten your seatbelt over your blanket. We apologize when able to serve hot beverages whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on. Electronic devices may be used in flight safe mode. Thank you.
Para penumpang sekalian, lampu sabuk pengaman telah dimatikan. Demi keselamatan Anda, harap tetap kenakan sabuk pengaman saat Anda sedang duduk. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. For your safety, toilets should not be used. We apologize when able to serve hot beverages until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Thank you.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is your senior first officer at Winchu. We just began our descent into Singapore. Estimated time of arrival into Singapore is 1:55 in the afternoon. There's a 1 hour time difference between Singapore and Jakarta. So that adjust your watch now, the time is 25 minutes past 1. Weather in Singapore is reported to be rainy with a ground temperature of 28 degrees Celsius, 28. We'll be disembarking you this afternoon at Changi Airport, Terminal 2. On behalf of Captain and the rest of the crew, I would like to thank you for choosing to fly Singapore Airlines and wish you a pleasant day ahead. Cabin crew, please prepare the aircraft for arrival. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, before arrival in Singapore, all visitors must complete an immigration form. Please note the warning on the form about the severe penalties for drug offences in Singapore. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are landing shortly, please return to your seat, put your seatbelt upright and secure your tray table, handsets and footrest. Window shades should also be drawn up. Please also ensure that your hand luggage is securely stowed. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seat, put your seatbelt upright and fasten your seatbelt. Secure your tray table, handsets and footrest. Make sure your window shades are drawn up. All portable electronic devices must be in flight safe mode. Electronic devices such as laptop must not be stored. As a safety requirement, please also note where the emergency exits are located. Please note that the in-flight entertainment system will be automatically turned off upon landing. Thank you.
Your landing stations. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened for landing. Thank you. Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen, and to all Singaporeans and residents of Singapore, a warm welcome home. The local time is 2:07 in the afternoon on Saturday, 29th of November. The temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, 82 degrees Fahrenheit. You may use your mobile phones and tablets. However, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. When leaving the aircraft, please take care when opening the overhead compartment and check that you have not left anything behind on your seat and in your seat pocket. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. Passengers with connecting flights may also approach the ground staff for assistance. If you are continuing your journey on another Singapore Airlines flight, please note that Singapore is 1 hour ahead of Jakarta and the boarding gates will close 10 minutes before the scheduled departure time. Do also note the restrictions on the carriage of liquids, aerosols and gels and hand luggage on all flights departing from Singapore Changi Airport. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
This one, please.